draw Poppy Playtime's 4 character, and that is Rabie Baby. So let's do it slowly together, and you can do this as well, okay? You're going to finish drawing by the end of this, the end of this 8 minutes here. Let's get started. I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to draw a small curve right there for the nose. Right there, he's like a bat, or she's a bat. Curve over here, and we're going to slowly curve up. See that large curve right there. I'm going to draw a straight line from here down to this area. Right there. I'm going to curve underneath right here. Just a bit more. And I'm going to throw a new curve right here for this side of the mouth right here. Let's draw like a nostril right around this area. We draw a line right there. Line up for a little angry thing right there. And then we're going to go over here this side. Out over there for the other side of the glasses. We're going to go around here. We're going to curve back. So we're going right here. Curve right there. Alright. So far so good. I'm going to pull the mouth up here. So I'm going to go right here and I'm going to slowly curve around this area. Line down. Do the same thing on the other side. So pull a dot right here. Out right there. And I'm going to throw a large curve for the open mouth. So this might be a tough one right here, but just large. You can take a break too in the middle of it. It's not a big deal. Cool. Let's draw fangs, because this is a bat. Line down, up. Over here on this side, down, up. Curve, curve. So let's get into the glasses here, okay? Well, not yet. We're going to go to the outside of the head, okay? And by the way, for this stuff, you just want to be close enough. You don't have to be exactly on point. Hit the like, by the way, if you do like the video, the slow way we're doing this. So go over here now. We start about here. We draw a continuous curve on the side, like there. It's going to run into some hair. So like a curve right there. And a curve right there. Line over here. I'm going to have a space along this side just a little bit. And we're going to continue that curve right there. Little bit of a cheek hair right there. Just like it looks like the number 3. Same. We're going to put the same thing on the other side right now. So over here, same thing. And now we're going to finish that curve on the outside. It's another big curve, so sorry about that. So just you know, take it slow. If you need to pause the video, you can do it as well, but it's just copying the same shape right there. There we go. All right. You're doing great. All right. All right, let's go over here. We draw the ears. So starting on that dot at the top. Out. Curve in. Over here on this side. Over here on this side. All right, there. Let's go over here on this side now. same thing. Those big kind of mouse bat ears, right? But that's a bat. We're going to start over here with a line and pull down, and then another inner curve right there. Let's go to the body before we get into the eyes. So we're going to go right here, draw a little bit of a fuzz curve on the side, but there's going to be a medallion around her neck. So right here, we're going to draw almost like a teardrop kind of thing. Line right there. Sorry, a little curve right there for like where it holds the necklace, right? Line up. Line up. Over here now. Same curvy shape right there. And then these small shapes usually indicate, you know, a little fuzz. Curve over here for the bottom of the body, almost like a snowman body. Right on. Don't forget, by the way, hit me with a comment. I'd love to hear what you have to say. I want to hear like the stuff you know. Do you like this Poppy Playtime? Like, what do you want me to see me draw? Like, I want to hear from you, and you know, just kind of in general. I'll reply to every single comment. Curve down, pulling up, and another little curve right here for the fuzzy leg kind of thing. Same thing on this side, fuzzy little on the side, big curve over here, and line right there. Curve for the actual feet down there, and you can draw like little lines right here as well. You know, little teddy bear lines kind of thing. Let's go over here to the wings. So the wings are gonna come out like around a little bit lower here around the chest area. Curve up right there. Over here on this side, curve up on that side. Angle right there. Curve. Angle right there. Curve. Up. Down. Curve. Down right here. Curve. Curve. So it's like the bony part, right? It looks like a chicken wing or something. Curve back up. Line down. Pulling up. And then right there. Think of it almost like branches or something. It looks kind of like branches. And we're going to throw that wing on it. Almost done. Last thing. Let's get into the glasses. Line up right there. Curve. Line out over here. Curve on the inside for the glasses. And we draw a little bit of a curve right there for the eye inside. Curve right here for the eye inside on this side. And the next thing is you can probably fill in the eyes and the mouth. So this is like the last thing. If you're here at this point, like say what's up, say how's it going, say what, and I'll know that, you know, you watched to the end of the video. Like that'll be our little thing. So definitely say something if you hear my voice right now. Say, hey, how's it going, or what up, or I'm here till the end, or anything, and I will like, wow, it's gonna be like a huge deal. It really is, because most people don't on all of YouTube don't really watch till the very end of the video. So that's huge. That's really huge. I give you a lot of credit. We're filling in the mouth right here, just really quick. I guess this part's a lot easier if you have a, I guess if you had pencil, it'd probably be a lot simpler to fill this part in, to be honest. All right, there you go. Stay here for the next lesson. Let's get started. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.